Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox not launching on your mobile. So let's get on it. So the first step that we'll need to do is to simply check if the Roblox app that you have on your device is up to date. So to check on that, just go ahead and tap onto your Play Store and then go ahead and search for Roblox here on the search bar. Search for Roblox, and then after that, as you can see here on the upper right part of my screen, it says play right here beside the Roblox. So if the update button is what you see right there, it means that your Roblox is not up to date. So you can just go ahead and tap onto that update button to update your Roblox. So the next thing that we are going to do is to clear the cache and the data of the Roblox. So to do that, let us go to your settings, tap onto the gear icon right there, and then let's go on to your additional settings, and then in here, go to your app management and go to your app list. Then after that, just go ahead and let it load for a few seconds. And after this, just scroll down until you see the Roblox section here on your app list. Roblox. So there's the Roblox. So in here, tap on the Roblox and then tap on the storage usage and then tap on the clear data. Okay, and then the clear cache. So that should fix the problem if your Roblox is not launching on your device. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.